The program is all about picking up the basics of animal flow, the ape, beast and crab, the ABC literally, and then learning how to use them effectively, move from one position to the other, do a few cool moves here and there, creating your own flow, and that's it. The goal of the program is, there's one goal where you have to learn how to make your own flow, which I will teach you along with making the flow that we're going to do for the program, and also applying various aspects of your fitness like mobility, stamina, balance, mind-body coordination, which we really need to work on. So all of that is tested in Animal Flow. It also becomes a goal of the program. The program is 4 weeks long. You have 2 sessions per week where you're going to do it with me, and then for each session you have a practice session, so you have another 8 sessions of practice sessions. So you're going to be doing a lot of Animal Flow through the week, but it is designed in such a way that you won't overdo, and there's also a lot of exercises like mobility and stretches which is going to help your body adapt better and move forward. The key to learning something well is to learn the basics first and then add layers of complex movements to it later. So from session 1 to session 8, week 1 to week 4, we're going to learn the basics, literally crawl before we can walk in the beast, ape and crab movements, then add layers to it, and then make a flow and progress to creating your own flow. The most challenging aspect is going to be these little buddies here, but they do adapt. First week they might get a little overwhelmed about the fact that you're putting all your weight onto your palms and your shoulders. It's new for the body, but then with the help of the drills that I share with you in the sessions and the fact that you have practice sessions to keep yourself going, the momentum is on your back. Your body will definitely adapt and move forward. So the week 2, week 3, phase is going to be slightly difficult for everybody, but then I urge you to push through, because week 4 you just end up adapting, and the excitement takes over later, and then you forget about the soreness. So one of the favorite positions that I have and the movement that I have in Animal Flow are the side kick through. So it's a really cool move, and then there's something called the crab reach, which really, there's always going to be a stretch on one side of the body, there's going to be activation on the other side of the body. There's another movement called the beast unload, which is a complicated plank hold, which will just change the game in the way how you plank and give you an idea. I also give you an idea of what muscles are working and why we're doing it in a certain way. So it's pretty exciting. Anybody with basic fitness foundations can definitely approach this program, but if you're into exploring and understanding what your body is capable of and learning something new, I would suggest please try it out. At the end of the program, you'll be able to hold positions, you'll be able to move from one position to the other. Along with that, there'll be a lot of mind-body connect, because the whole flow sequence requires you to listen to call-outs and perform. My objective for everybody here is to pay attention to detail. Please focus on quality over quantity. Don't just do movements and just forget about them. Do them to make them feel really good, make them look really good, and that should be the objective for everybody. So that should be the goal for anybody who's going to take up the program. And also, not to forget, you're going to be doing your own flows. You should be able to perform that whole flow by yourself. So looking forward to it. Hey guys, this is Umar Farooq, and this is my transformation program.